So hey guys, today is gonna be a different video. Today I wanted to show you guys my printer that I got from a family member, which was my sister. Again, I've seen a lot of these printers online, and I also seen them on YouTube. And I asked her what was wrong with the printer, and she said she didn't know, that it might have messed up during the hurricane. So if you guys know anything about fixing printers after they've been hit, well, I don't know if it was hit by a hurricane, but that was the hurricane that we just previously had in the past. The last one before we're entering hurricane season again. Again, this is 2020, so we will be going into hurricane season again. So she said she didn't know what was wrong with it. I checked. It said paper jam. But when you open it, this is the scanner. It's plugged in. It turns on. Gotta wait a few seconds. Right here it's gonna show up in the screen. Okay. Okay. Let's hit that again. See if it turns on. Give it a few minutes, you should be able to turn on. There we go. See, it turns on. Give it a few minutes. See, paper jam. So I don't know exactly what's wrong with it. I went online and tried to take out the printer, which is right here. I did take out the printer and I did take out the tray. I did everything that YouTube has told me. So I wanted to find out if anyone knows anything about printers. Can I clean the inside of that? Can I take it apart and clean the inside of that ink, where the ink is, where there's a lot of mess of ink there? I looked online and I also went on YouTube, and I have not seen anybody clean the inside of that. So I don't know if it could be that's probably damaging it, or maybe right here, this is where the motherboard is. I don't know if I need to replace that, or do I need to replace that? I don't think I do, because it turns on, so it should be fine. So this part only goes that way, but it doesn't go back and forth. So if anybody can tell me what the paper jam is on these Kodaks. This one is a Kodak. I believe it is it's a Kodak ESP Office 2150. Kodak ESP Office 2150. I don't hardly see too many of these on YouTube. I only saw like maybe 2 people have posted it. I don't know if maybe this is the old version or the new version or the ones that just came out. So if anybody can help me on what it is that I could do, if I need a new motherboard, or if I need the ink, she told me it was still good. I don't know for sure, but I don't want to have to replace it and then it's not good. So without further ado, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And hopefully somebody can respond to this message that I just put out. So, later.